Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having a fabulous day and you are safe wherever you are. So yesterday guys, at the reset we got the Kamala Khan uniform, the last uniform for the Inhuman, and yeah, no Iceman uniform or Storm uniform. They might be coming later on, about 7 or 8 days around from now. So let's get the uniform first and let's see how much of an upgrade did it made to Kamala Khan, because we know she was an unplayable character. She was just for Shadowland. So here 1050 crystal gone. So uniform passive is pretty good, 15% increase of all attack, 30% increase of HP, super armor and all defense. That's nice. The change that I really like was the 4-star passive. 1 and 2 had just simply physical damage. The third skill has a 50% recovery rate, guard against 8 hit, and an all attack all defense buff. The last skill also has a all attack all defense buff and has defense down. Not only that, her fourth skill also has some defense down. So as you can see, I don't have her very much built out, so let's first build her up.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I was pretty lucky and got one-shotted her potential. So yeah, pretty amazing there. So I got her potential. So as you can see, the details page: 122 attack speed, quick rate is 65, 148 quick damage, 44 ignore defense, and 49 cooldown duration. So nothing maxed out there. Gears are at 20, she is not level 70, she is just level 60. I have some 4-star physical attack and cooldown to max out the cooldown guys. So her skill set is pretty amazing. Like she has got some decent buffs, like the 4-star passive now has a 50% triggering, that whenever her HP will be 50%, she will recover her 30% HP. Not to mention her HP is pretty good, decent. So when it is 50% below, she almost recovers all her HP. I have given her a quick rate 140% custom gear damage proc, so normal custom gear. So let's see just for the initial impression how much she has gained. So let's realize the potential. Yeah guys, I don't let the potential sit in the roster, I just realize it. So first we will be doing Proxima Midnight World Boss Ultimate stage 70. This is the team that we are going to use. White Fox lead, Nick Fury and Kamala Khan. These are the strikers that we are going to use. No defense down strikers at all. So yeah, let's do this. So I have seen some issues with the uniform guys, like the fourth skill. Sometimes what happens, if you're not at a corner, she will just pass away from the boss and the skill will be cancelled out. So that is pretty annoying. So the rotation that I generally use is I start with the 5th skill, get the proc on the 5th skill, just like that, get the proc on the 5th skill, then go 3, let it play out completely, then cancel it into the 4th skill. As soon as she slams down the lightning, just cancel it into the 5th skill. She is so smooth to play, just 3 skills and that's it. Her damage is, I would say, it's not very high, but it is consistent. What I mean from that is guys, like her 5th skill, her 4th skill and her 3rd skill hits really hard. Now the 4th skill has a defense down, but it has a 60% defense down, but it has a stacking of 5%. So what I do, and the defense down is not instant guys, that you should know, that when she slams down that traffic bar or whatever that thing is, then the defense down applies. And the 5th skill, it's also not instant. So when she goes up in the air, there the defense down starts. So what I generally do, I use the 4th skill, get the lightning there, and then cancel it in the 5th skill, and there the damage is pretty good. So here as you can see, like almost a minute and we are around 11th bar. So definitely we can definitely do stage 60, which is amazing, just because the character was trash. The character was only used at Shadowland, and Kamala Khan, like in the Avengers, the new console game that is coming, the Avengers, that has Kamala Khan as a pretty cool character, and I guess Marvel Future Fight knew that, and that is why they gave her a new uniform. The uniform definitely gave her justice, but here's the fact guys, she's pretty tanky also. She can take some hit, but she cannot take a lot of it. She can still get one-shotted just because she is at level 70, maybe at level 60, maybe at level 70. She will get some defenses and her HP will bump up marginally. But right now she can get one-shotted by Proxima, and Proxima I hate playing Proxima just because she's super annoying. Now guys, the fact, let's come to the fact. Should you purchase the uniform or not? Now this is a very important question guys, because right now the game is pacing so hard that which with every update you need a lot of crystals. Now the problem is Kamala Khan uniform is a great uniform. Believe it or not, it is a great uniform. It makes the character playable. It makes the character playable in high world boss ultimates. But guys, she doesn't have an awakened skill or a tier 3. She has some PvP potential, but you know, Silver Surfer, Jean Grey and Colossus, all other characters, PvP characters will rule in timeline battle. Now for World Boss Ultimate, she is a decent character. She can go up to level 70 if you have a 200% damage proc, or even if you are a Vale and give her a rage, which I don't think is suitable for her because her skill rotation and her skill cooldowns are very low. That's why you can prioritize the CTP of energy or what. So the uniform gives her justice. The uniform is a great uniform. It makes the character playable. It makes the character feel fun. But guys, right now it is not necessary guys. I cannot say it's a must buy, but I can highly recommend this uniform. This uniform definitely changes the play style of the character. This uniform is amazing for World Boss Ultimate, but again guys, after a month or so, after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you will forget the uniform and will definitely only be used at Shadowland characters. Just because if she had a awakened skill, she would definitely be at par at Medusa's uniform. She is very close to Medusa's uniform, but there are some disadvantages of the uniform, that like the fourth skill sometimes get cancelled, and that's super annoying guys. So here Proxima is getting too annoying. So yeah, but she is amazing guys. She is fun to play. She has cool animations, and she can tank out some hits guys. So yeah, I guess I will die here. So yeah, I died here, but you got the taste guys. She can definitely clear this. So let's try her out at Corvus stage 60, level 60 World Boss Ultimate. The team we will be using here is Big Fury lead, Medusa and Kamala Khan. I used some Ignodot strikers, but I used Scarlet just because Corvus is so annoying with his iframe, and her fourth skill will continuously get cancelled just because of the iframes. So I used Scarlet Witch there. There might be some interference with the defense down of Kamala Khan and Scarlet Witch, but it is what it is guys. So I generally start with the fifth skill, and you can see the damage. Fifth skill does pretty good amount of almost a bar of damage there, and I have a 140 proc. So if you have a 200 proc, I am pretty sure you can go up to like level 65. That itself is a pretty amazing stage guys for a level 60 character, normal uniform, nothing very much invested. So yeah, definitely she is a very interesting character, and I love the fact that a character that was at the very bottom of the game now got a justice and will be used even for a short period of time, but she will be used. I know people are not gonna use her at World Boss Ultimate or Timeline Battle. However, she has some Timeline Battle potential guys, but the fact that the Timeline Battle is designed in such a way that level 60 or level 70 characters doesn't do very high of a damage there. So that is why her survivability is decent. She has decent defenses. She has some PvP potential. But again guys, no awakened skill, no tier 3 makes her not viable for Timeline Battle and World Boss Ultimate. If she had a vacant skill or a tier 3 skill, this uniform would have been a must buy. But for now guys, I can highly recommend this uniform, but it's not a must buy guys, because I know you will play it for 2 or 3 weeks and then again you will use the character in Shadowland. I'm gonna do the same guys, because I have some World Boss Slayers, you know, World Boss Ultimate Slayers, but I will have fun with her for a short period of time, but for a long run she doesn't stand. So we can wait that she gets an awakened skill or a tier 3. I don't believe that she will get a tier 3, but an awakening skill could have given her the justice, but the uniform has given her the justice. She was a trash character, that is why she got a huge buff guys. She got a huge buff. So here as you can see, she can definitely clear a Corvus stage 60, and however you should know that Corvus decreases all the damage received. I can go up to stage 65, but Corvus was super annoying, so I didn't bother to try that. So definitely guys, the uniform is a good uniform. The uniform passive is good, the 30% increase of HP, and when HP is below 50%, the heal is clutch, I have to say. She is pretty tanky. Even her third skill does a considerably good amount of damage guys, and I was surprised with that. Okay guys, so let's quickly get a reminder what skill rotation you should be prioritizing with Kamala Khan. So when you start the fight, just open with her 5th skill, get the proc on the 5th skill, let the proc stable at the 5th skill, then use her 3rd skill, let it completely play out, then cancel it into the 4th skill. As soon as she slams down the light bar like that, then cancel it into the 5th skill and get the proc there, and there you have a good, considerably good amount of damage. She doesn't have very high burst damage, but she has a consistent damage. That is why her damage seems pretty good. And yeah, we are almost able to clear the stage, just because we cleared it in around 2 minutes, the first half of the fight. So we can definitely clear stage 60 with a 140 proc normal uniform. If she had a mythic uniform, and I have some uniform options, and given her even a 160 proc, I am pretty sure she will be able to do stage 65 covers. So yeah, that is pretty amazing from a character who cannot do a stage 20. I guess even at 20 stage 20 maybe she can do, but you know what it is, nobody used Kamala Khan at World Boss Ultimate or anything like that. She was only used for Shadowline and for low level clears, but now she can do Shadowline at high level of stages. Like she can go up to stage 80 or 85. If you have her at level 70 and given her pretty good build, she can definitely do up to stage 80-85 of Shadowline, which is pretty amazing. I would be trying her out at Shadowline stages 30 to 35. Maybe she has a chance there. But guys, here's the harsh reality of the game guys. Right now the game only prefers tier 3 awakened characters and strong level 70 characters. However, Kamala Khan is a decent level 70 character. She will be a decent character. As you can see here, she is able to clear stage 60 covers with a 140 proc. Now for many of you this might not be very impressive, but for me it is, just because the character was so trash and now she can do stage 60s. So should you buy the uniform or not? I wouldn't say that it's a must buy uniform, but it is highly recommended. This makes the character a whole lot of fun, whole lot of stronger. So definitely, but I would say it's your choice guys. It's highly recommended, but it's not mandatory. So that's it for today guys. Hope you all liked the video, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video guys. Till then, be safe and see you in the next one guys.